Home inspector practice test. Prepare for your test with realistic questions. Question 1. What is the minimum allowance slope of graded soil next to a building's foundation according to the International Residential Code (IRC)? A. 5 per 10, B. 5 per 12, C. 6 per 12, D. 6 per 10. Answer D. Question 2. Which of the following is not a solid fuel heating device? A. A fireplace, B. A wood stove, C. A coal furnace, D. An electric heater. Answer D. Question 3. Every basement and sleeping room is required to have an easily operable emergency escape window. How large must this window be? A. At least 5.7 square feet, B. At least 4.7 square feet, C. At least 6.7 square feet, D. At least 3.7 square feet. Answer A. Question 4. The roofing material on a house or other building is considered a part of the roof drainage system. A. True, B. False. Answer B. Question 5. You are inspecting a residential property. You have to observe and/or test all the readily accessible components of each system. Determine which of the following is not considered to be a readily accessible component of a room. A. A small window, B. The door knob on the closet door, C. Nails or screws in the floor, D. None of the above. Answer C. Question 6. Brand circuits must be installed in several locations in every building. Which of the following is not one of them? A. Central HVAC equipment, B. An office or bedroom, C. A laundry room, D. Bathrooms. Answer B. Question 7. The International Residential Code (IRC) requires rafters to be fastened to ridge boards or gusset blades if the pitch of the roof is greater than or equal to a certain angle. What is the angle? A. 3 per 12, B. 2 per 12, C. 4 per 12, D. 5 per 12. Answer A. Question 8. If you observe a component, you make a visual examination. A. True, B. False. Answer A. Question 9. How large should the footing or foundation for a masonry fireplace be? A. It should be more than 6 inches thick and extend 6 inches beyond the fireplace on all sides. Check. B. It should be more than 12 inches thick and extend 6 inches beyond the fireplace on all sides. C. It should be more than 6 inches thick and extend 12 inches beyond the fireplace on all sides. D. It should be more than 12 inches thick and extend 12 inches beyond the fireplace on all sides. Answer B. Question 10. You inspect a representative number of electrical outlets in a building. What does this mean? A. You inspect a percentage of all the electrical outlets in the structure. B. You inspect electrical outlets in the structure at random. C. You select one electrical outlet to test in each room of the structure. D. None of the above. Answer C. Question 11. How much glazing area should every habitable room in a residential dwelling contain? A. 8% of a floor area. B. 6% of floor area. C. 10% of floor area. D. 7% of floor area. Answer A. Question 12. A technically exhaustive inspection uses measurements, tests, calculations, and instruments to gather information on the structure under inspection. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Question 13. A builder has added an additional load to a wood truss in the form of a water heater. Under what circumstances does the IRC allow this? A. This is never allowed. B. This is always allowed. C. This is allowed only if the additional load has been verified as acceptable by a certified engineer. D. None of the above. Answer C. Question 14. How far from the foundation should the roof drainage system discharge water? A. Less than 2 feet or into a drain pipe. B. Less than 3 feet or into a drain pipe. C. Less than 4 feet or into a drain pipe. D. Less than 5 feet or into a drain pipe. Answer D. Question 15. What is the minimum and maximum pressure for a water supply system in a residential building? A. 30 and 60 psi. B. 50 and 100 psi. C. 60 and 120 psi. D. 40 and 80 psi. Answer D. Question 16. A system carries out one or more functions in a structure and is composed of at least two interacting or interdependent components. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Question 17. In which of the following locations are ground fault circuit interceptors GFCI required? A. All bathroom outlets. B. All outdoor outlets. C. All countertop outlets. D. All of the above. Answer A. Question 18. Which of the following is not a normal operating control? A. A wall switch. B. The fuse box. C. A safety switch. B. A thermostat. Answer B. Question 19. When is an unvented conditioned attic permitted? A. When there is a vapor retarder applied on the floor of the attic, but there is no insulation applied to the underside of the roof deck. B. Where there is not a vapor retarder applied to the floor of the attic, but there is insulation applied to the underside of the roof deck. C. This is always allowed. D. This is never allowed. Answer B. Question 20. A cross connection is a physical connection between two electrical circuits. A. True. B. False. Answer B. Question 21. Which of the following would not be a structural component of a building? A. An exterior wall. B. The floor of the second or higher story. C. An interior wall that is not connected to a lot or the second story floor joist. D. The floor of the main or only story. Answer C. Question 22. What is the proper slope for a horizontal drain pipe? A. Anywhere from 1 per 8:1 to 1 per 2:1. B. 1 per 8:1. C. 1 per 2:1. D. None of the above. Answer A. Question 23. How far above a shower head should the waterproof material in a bathroom extend? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer B. Question 24. An on-site water quality test is generally done only on structures that are on a non-municipal water supply. A. True, B. False. Answer A. Question 25. Which of the following is a component of a roof drainage system? A. Downspouts. B. Gutters. C. Splash blocks. D. All of the above. Answer D. Question 26. Federal and state regulations both require certain warnings to be conspicuous. As a home inspector, you will often have to determine whether or not hazardous components are adequately labeled. Which of the following would a reasonable person consider to be conspicuous? A. Unplug power before touching circuit with graphic warning symbols. B. Unplug power before touching circuit without graphic warning symbols. C. Unplug power before touching circuit. D. Both A and B. Answer D. Question 27. The International Residential Code requires cleanouts for drain pipes to be established at intervals throughout the drain system. What is the maximum allowable distance between cleanouts? A. 50 feet horizontally. B. 75 feet horizontally. C. 100 feet horizontally. D. 125 feet horizontally. Answer C. Question 28. A drain with a functional flow empties in a reasonable amount of time. A. True. B. False. Answer B. Question 29. What is the minimum slope requirement of a roof with asphalt shingles? A. 112. B. 212. C. 312. D. 412. Answer B. Question 30. How far above grade should a concrete slab extend? A. At least 4. B. At least 6. C. At least 8. D. There is no minimum requirement. Answer C. Thank you for watching.